SLWH Pegasus, Singapore lightweight 155mm towed howitzer. Professional military analysis. Introduction. The SLWH Pegasus, Singapore lightweight howitzer, developed by ST Kinetics, now ST Engineering Land Systems, in collaboration with the Singapore Armed Forces, SAF, is the world's first heli-portable 155mm towed howitzer with self-propulsion capability. Introduced in the early 2000s, the Pegasus is specifically engineered to equip rapid reaction forces, airborne brigades, and expeditionary fire support units with a long-range, NATO-standard, heavy-caliber artillery piece that is strategically mobile, logistically agile, and tactically devastating. It strikes a balance between firepower and mobility, combining digital fire control, titanium alloy construction, and semi-automated loading, making it a benchmark in modern lightweight artillery design. Technical specifications. Designation: SLWH Pegasus. Type: lightweight 155mm 39 caliber towed howitzer. Caliber: 155mm NATO standard. Barrel length: L39, i.e. 39 calibers almost equal to 6.04 meters. Weight: combat. -5 400 kg, one of the lightest in its class. Rate of fire: burst: 3 rounds in 24 seconds. Sustained: 4 rounds per minute for 3 minutes. Normal sustained: 2 rounds per minute, continuous. Range: conventional He shells, 19 km. ERFBBB, base bleed 30 km. Rocket-assisted projectiles, RAP 40 km plus, depending on munition. Elevation: -3 degrees to +72 degrees. Traverse: plus or minus 25 degrees, manual or hydraulic. Mobility and deployment. Self-propulsion system. Powered by a 75 horsepower onboard diesel engine. Can move at up to 12 km per hour for short tactical repositioning. Remote control steering system or manual override. Airlift capability. Chinook compatible, CH-47, underslung transport. Designed to be airdroppable or slung in for jungle urban operations. Deployment time. Emplacement in -3 minutes. Displacement in -2 minutes. Minimal crew, 6 to 8 personnel. Fire control and targeting. Digital Fire Control System, FCS. Integrated Inertial Navigation System, ballistic computer, GPS, and muzzle velocity radar. Supports direct and indirect fire missions. Compatible with automated command and control networks. Muzzle velocity radar. Real-time data feedback to adjust fire correction and accuracy. Night low-light firing capability. Night vision and laser range-finding systems included. Key features and tactical advantages. Ultra-lightweight construction. Frame built from titanium alloy and aluminum, reducing total weight by over 40% compared to conventional 155mm towed howitzers. Self-propelled mobility. Unlike most towed howitzers, Pegasus can maneuver independently on the battlefield, avoiding reliance on towing vehicles in tight terrain. High firepower-to-weight ratio. Delivers NATO-standard 155mm lethality while being air-portable, making it ideal for amphibious and rapid deployment scenarios. Digital battlefield integration. Fully compatible with SAF's Army Battlefield Internet, ABI, and C2 systems. Enables real-time target data sharing, improving responsiveness. Crew efficiency. Semi-automated loading and aiming reduces fatigue and improves operational tempo. Combat role and doctrinal use. The Pegasus is purpose-built for airborne assault artillery support, jungle warfare and island defense, rapidly deployable fire support for forward-deployed units, expeditionary missions where heavy artillery would otherwise be infeasible, anti-amphibious defense in littoral zones. In Singapore's doctrine, the Pegasus augments light mechanized brigades and specialized infantry units operating in urbanized terrain or dispersed jungle environments where heavier artillery like tracked self-propelled guns would struggle. Pegasus occupies a unique niche. It delivers 155mm punch in a platform lighter than Caesar or Archer, with limited but valuable self-propelled mobility, setting it apart from the M777, which relies entirely on towing. Limitations: lower range and barrel life compared to 52 caliber howitzers. Limited onboard ammunition capacity, requires close logistics train. Self-propulsion range is short, not a replacement for fully mobile SPH systems. Niche export appeal due to unique lightweight use case and high cost of titanium frame. Operational use and global interest. Deployed by Singapore Armed Forces, SAF, Artillery Formation. Export status: no confirmed international operators, as of 2024, but observed in international defense exhibitions. Interest from nations with airmobile doctrines, such as Indonesia, UAE, or Philippines. Strategic significance: the SLWH Pegasus exemplifies Singapore's doctrine of smart, networked, highly mobile defense. It reflects a strategic emphasis on flexible fire support, independent force projection, and precision lethality, tailored to the complex geography of Southeast Asia. It symbolizes a shift in how small nations with advanced industrial capacity can optimize asymmetric deterrence, projecting firepower without relying on weight or size, but rather on innovation, speed, and precision. Conclusion: the SLWH Pegasus is a revolutionary artillery system in its class, blending NATO-standard firepower, air mobility, and limited self-propulsion into a single, lightweight platform. For forces operating in tight terrains, jungle environments, or dispersed island chains, it provides a highly effective and responsive fire support solution. As the world pivots toward rapid expeditionary warfare, multi-domain operations, and digitally networked artillery, the Pegasus is not merely a howitzer, it's a strategic tool of agile deterrence.